Hello everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add custom shipping zones in Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Adding custom shipping zones is actually pretty easy. All you need to do is simply head over to your settings from the bottom left side of your screen. Then you're going to need to head over to your shipping and delivery. Here you can see we have shipping and delivery, and we can add zones in here. So to do that, you can see we have delivery customizations and all that. Now if I simply go to the top and add a new profile, you can see we have a shipping location and shipping zone. So from this section you can click on add a shipping zone, select your location, zone name, you can add any name, and that will be the process of adding custom shipping zones in Shopify. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments below. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.